Hey there, thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you a new stitch, and it's this one. It's the corn stitch, and it's a 2-row repeat, so it's not that difficult. And before I want to show you how to make this stitch, I want to say that if you do not want to miss any of my new videos, please subscribe to my channel and put on the notifications. And at the end of this video, if you liked it, please put your thumbs up for me. And if you want to say anything about this video, you can do that in the comment section. And for now, I just want to show you how to make this corn stitch. Take your yarn and your crochet hook. I have a crochet hook number 5, and make a slip stitch. And for this stitch, it doesn't matter how many chains you make. The pattern says make any chains you want, and then +1, and that +1 makes the turning chain. So for this one, I'm chaining 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then +1. And for row 1, we are turning our chains, and then in the back bump over here, in the second back bump, we are making a half double crochet. So that first chain we are skipping, and in this second chain we are making a half double crochet. So in every back bump we are making a half double crochet. So at the end, if I'm at the end of this row, I need to have 12 half double crochets. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And just by crocheting in the back bumps, the bottom is looking more clear and neat. So this is why we are doing it like this. Okay, so for row 2, chain 1, turn your work, and in the first stitch we're making a slip stitch. So put your hook in that stitch, make yarn over and pull through the stitch, and pull it through the loop on your hook. Next stitch also a slip stitch. So in every stitch we are making a slip stitch. And I have a little trick for you. If you put your work a little bit like this, hold your work between your fingers, hook through your stitch, and then yarn over and pull through the stitch and together on that loop on your hook. For me, this is the most easy way to make slip stitches in my work. But maybe this just doesn't work for you, but it's just a little trick I want to show you that I like to do with the slip stitches. If you don't like it, then just do it the regular way. So at the end I need to have 12 slip stitches on this row. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, for row 3, chain 1 and turn. And now we need to pay attention, because we need to make a half double crochet 2 rows below, but not in this space over here, but in this space. Because the slip stitches and the half double crochets, between that it makes a nice little space over here where we put our half double crochets. That makes the nice little ridges between the corns. So just make sure you pull your work a little bit apart, and you can see here, over here, it's a nice space to make your half double crochet. So don't do it over here, but in this stitch. And I'll show you if I make some half double crochets in this space over here, how it looks like if you do it the right way and the wrong way. So in every stitch, 2 rows below, make your half double crochet. So now I am doing it the right way, and I'll show you if I make a couple of stitches the wrong way. So not in this space, but in this space over here. I'll do 3 stitches like that. Then you can see that the pattern doesn't look like it has to be. Because we are now crocheting at the wrong side. So if we turn it to the right side, you can see that over here the stitch is nice between 2 bars, or maybe, yeah, well, you can see there are 2 rows, and over here you can see that they don't have it in between 2 nice rows over here. So this is how you need to make it, and this is how you do not want to make it. So again, make half double crochets in this stitch over here. You need to continue this until you are at the end of the row, and at the end I need to have, for my little swatch, I need to have 12 half double crochets. This is my last stitch. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so once more, chain 1, and in every stitch make a slip stitch. Don't forget about that last one. And again, row 3, chain 1, turn your work, and in this space over here make a half double crochet. And in every stitch between your rows 2 and 1, here is that space, make a half double crochet. And this is how you continue your rows. So make a half double crochet row and a slip stitch row. And this is how you make your corn stitch. And this stitch is a little bit crooked, but if you block your work, then everything will be straight again. So this is how you make the corn stitch, and I hope you liked it. And I hope to see you next time with a new video. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.